Hello friends, welcome to Decor. Let's see some beautiful vintage style bedroom decorating ideas. Vintage style bedroom decor is a design style that brings the charm, elegance and character of past eras into a bedroom. It often combines antique-inspired furniture, soft colors, decorative details and nostalgic accessories to create a warm and timeless atmosphere. A well-designed vintage bedrooms feel elegant, comfortable, and full of stories from the past, while still being practical for modern living. More vintage-style bedroom decorating tips. Create a focal point with the bed. Choose an iron bed frame, curved wooden headboard, or upholstered tufted bed. Layer the bed with quilts, crocheted straws, and decorative pillows. Use vintage-inspired wallpaper, floral, damask, tile, or subtle inspired patterns can instantly add old-world charm. Consider an accent wall behind the bed if you don't want to wallpaper the entire room. Next, display collected treasures. Decorate shelves and dressers with vintage books, porcelain figurines, old cameras, or heirloom pages. Group similar items together for a crafted look. Add character with distressed finishes. Furniture with gently owned paint or aged wood adds authenticity. A distressed nightstand or dresser can become a beautiful statement piece. Next, incorporate crochet and handmade textiles. Use crochet pillow covers, lace table runner, or handmade blankets. These details add warmth and craftsmanship. Hang vintage artwork like botanical prints, landscapes, vintage advertisements, and black and white photographs work beautifully. Use ornate gold, brass, or weathered wooden frames. Introduce soft winter treatments. Use shade lace curtains, allow natural light while maintaining a romantic feel. Layer curtains with heavier chops for added elegance. Use decorative mirrors. Vintage-style mirrors help reflect light and make the room feel larger. Look for ornate frames with antique finishes. Add a small reading corner. Place a comfortable chair, a vintage lamp, and a small side table in a corner. This creates a cozy retreat within the bedroom. Decorate with fresh or dried flowers like roses, lavender, eucalyptus, or wildflowers in vintage vases add color and charm. Dried arrangements provide a timeless cottage-inspired touch. Mix different textures, combine wood, lace, cotton, velvet, and brush accents. Layering textures makes the room feel richer and more inviting. Keep the space personal. Display family photos in vintage frames. Incorporate meaningful heirlooms and handmade items that tell a story. The most beautiful vintage bedrooms feel collected over time rather than purchased all at once. Mixing cherished beaches, soft colors, and cozy textiles creates an authentic and timeless look. A truly successful vintage bedroom feels as though it has evolved over decades, with each piece adding charm, history, and personality to the space. Thanks for watching this video.